everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Examify with Anamika. So it's after a long time I have joined you and so I wanted to give you some very important tips because just 45 days were left and there was a lot of confusion that NEET will happen or not, and so you were confused too. So I have planned a perfect strategy for you guys so that you can easily handle these 45 days at ease. So these are my 5 basic tips which I especially followed during my NEET preparation during the last 45 days. See, this is a very tough time, and yes, also it's very confusing. Like most of the students, believe me, they feel what you are feeling right now. Like you will be getting selected or not, what will be your rank, what will be your marks, paper will be difficult, what will be the entire thing. So believe me, it happens with all of us except those like who are actually getting good marks or they are topping the institutes or some all India test series. They will be like confident about their selection, but 90-95% students, they're like confused about their selection. So you don't have to think about, like, even when it was for us, we were quite confused, like we would be selected or not. So it's not the deal. Your focus, your target should be for the hard work and not for it will selection hoga nahi hoga. So that's not a thing that you should deal with right now. So now coming to the 5 basic tips that you should know and what I follow during my preparation and that you should follow during this time. So number 1, learn through question bank. Learn through questions, start from questions, then go to theory. It's not the vice versa. Like in these 45 days, last 45 days, if you start reading and revising the chapters, it's a never-ending syllabus. So it's useless. Better take questions and then enter the theory sections. Number 2, which you should do during this last 45 days is full syllabus tests, mock tests. This is the basic and the most important thing that you should follow right now, because during my preparation I used to follow the same thing for almost 2 months before the exam. Like 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, which is the time for the exam, you sit for the exam of 180 questions and start giving tests and just go through that entire routine every day, and you'll definitely have the habit, you'll develop that habit of giving the tests, and so it will not be a panic situation during your NEET exam, and it will be not a new environment. Like now coming to the third very important point is no new material. It's not the time that you should feel that I've not done the Akash material, I've not done this material, that material. You don't have to look at that so much. You should stick to the NCERT or whatever thing you have done before. Just keep on revising that. Revision is the key, guys. So no new material. Just if you want to do something new, like you are very ho gaya syllabus, I have completed everything, and you want to do something new, so it's better do new questions. That will be giving you a more wider area of things you can cover instead of studying and reading. It's not a theory exam, guys. It's not you have to write the answers, not board exams. It's multiple choice questions. So your way of practicing should be multiple choice. Now coming to the number 4th point, which I would say is revise. That's the mantra. Revise. Keep on revising, because telling about physics, chemistry, bio. So physics and chemistry are all of you have to be, there are some concepts, there are some theories, so you have to go through. Like bio, NCERT should be on your fingertips. You might have heard your seniors, so being as a senior even suggest you that yes, during my preparation NCERT was on my fingertips. So NCERT, each and every line should be on your fingertips. That's the priority. Rest other things dekha jayega. Now coming to the 5th important point is previous year questions. That's a must, guys, because there is a pattern. You believe it or not, if you practice a lot of questions, when you will give the exam, you will definitely understand that there is a pattern, there is repeatability, there is something very that you should be quite have a good grasp of the previous year. Like when you attempt the paper and you are like ye previous year mein aaya tha and still I couldn't do it, that's the biggest regret I think you would face. So these were the basic 5 tips which I followed during my last 45 days. All the NEET aspirants out there, I'll be coming up with the next part for all your further questions. Kindly ask your questions on the comment box, and you can connect with me on my Telegram page where there are a lot of stuff related to NEET. You can ask me any personal queries on my Quora link given in the description box. Please like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell to get always updated. All the best NEET aspirants. You can do it. Work hard, party harder.